Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the Trello mobile app to manage your projects and tasks on the go. Let's get started. First, what is Trello? Trello is a simple and powerful project management app that helps you organize tasks using boards, lists, and cards. You can use it on both Android and iPhone devices. You can download the Trello app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, tap on the app to open it. When the app opens, you'll land on the welcome screen where you'll see two options: log in and sign up. If you already have an account, tap log in and sign into your account. If you're new to the app, tap sign up to create a new account. It's completely free. On the sign up screen, you'll see options like sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or sign up with an email address. Choose the option that works best for you. After signing in, you'll see the home screen with all your boards. If you don't have a board yet, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Create a Board. Now, give your board a name, choose its visibility, select a background color if you like, and tap the Create button. This board will represent your project. Inside your board, you'll see the List section where you can add different lists. To add a new list, tap Add List, enter a name, and tap Add. You can create as many lists as you need. Next, let's add tasks using cards. Tap the plus icon under a list, enter a task name, and tap Add Card. Then tap on the card to open it. Here you can add more details such as quick actions, a description, start and due dates, and more. To move a task, simply press and hold the card, then drag it to another list. This makes it easy to track progress as tasks move from start to finish. If you're working with a team, open the board settings, tap Members, and invite others by email. Team members can comment, update tasks, and stay informed in real time. Now, go back and tap on the Inbox tab. The inbox lets you quickly save tasks or ideas, which you can organize later by moving them into the appropriate board. Next, tap on Planner. Planner shows your tasks in a calendar view, making it easy to track deadlines and plan your days. Then there's the Activity tab. This displays notifications, updates, and comments from your board so you never miss anything important. Finally, open the Account tab. This is where you manage your Trello account and settings. From here, you can switch workspaces, change app settings, manage your account, or log out. It's basically the control center of your Trello app. That's it. You now know how to use the Trello mobile app to manage projects and tasks anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.